PWD friendly kasi may elevator and pwede ang stroller. Third floor pala to. Anong meron sa third floor?
Second floor.
So this is the Hawker Center. Oh, diba? Super spacious. So, dito ikot tayo. Saan tayo magsisimula? Ganun pa ganun tayo. Oo. Super spacious and super maaliwalas.
Cash only dyan.
Cash only. Prawn me. Sikat pa naman to prawn me. So, ayan yung mga kainan. Coffee, per coffee. So, dito yung Janbyo Shui Kue. Oh, Kue, the famous Kue. So, tatry natin yan. Ayan, sobrang dami. Sobrang daming food stalls dito. And, maraming tables and chairs. And, may electric fan din sila. So, tignan pa natin yung mga available na kainan. So, this is the pancit stall. Nasi lemak. Tignan mo naman, $3.80. Napakamura, $3. So, mostly, minsan yung mga stall, sarado sila ng Monday, yung iba sarado ng Tuesday, so na medyo maraming sarado. Pero sana bukas yung famous, ito, the famous Chong Baro Pao. So, the famous Chong Baro Pao. So, mamaya tatry natin yan, bibili tayo dyan. And i-check natin kung tumatanggap sila ng cash or card. So, tignan nyo naman yung presyo ng bao. $1. Hindi ko maintindihan, pero try natin later umorder. So, this is the fishball, beverage. Nasaan yung famous chicken rice? Hanapin natin yung famous. Oh! The famous chicken rice. Vegetarian. Dito nakita mo na ba yung chicken rice? Baka ito.
Yung buchini.
Oo nga, mamaya bili tayo. So, this is what. So, usually, pag pinipilahan, alam niya na, masarap yan. So, it's only 9 o'clock. Gumagala na kami ni tita. Hinahanap ko yung hinahanap ko yung famous chicken rice. Hindi ko sure kung bukas na. Sabi kasi ay alas 10. Hindi kaya sarado pa. Let's see. Sobrang dami. Oh, may coconut din. Nasi lemak, coconut. And don't forget the sugar cane. Xiaolongbao. The famous Xiaolongbao. So, braised duck, if you wanna try the duck. See, sobrang luwag. And newly renovated siya. Hindi yan. So, may mga option ng chicken rice, bakote, ABC soup. Ano to? Noodles. Kampong carrot cake. Oh, this one is a famous carrot cake. So, kung gusto nyo matry, ang Chong Baro. So, price is $350, $450, and $550. So, ayan. The famous Tao Suan. So, hindi pa natin natatry yan. This is the nasi lemak. Feeling ko sarado pa yung chicken rice. So, ito try nyo rin to. The $1 bread. Ayan. Nakita nyo naman, homemade ang paggawa. Super fresh. Hindi pa pala kami tapos. Hindi pa kami nakakaikot. Ayan, meron pa dito. Oh, this is another one, the famous. Lahat famous eh, no? So, soya bean, usual breakfast din yan ng mga Singaporean. Soya milk. So, literal na, ayan ay taho. Tahong may soya, may pearl, may red bean, may grass jelly. So, ang price, $2. Pag plain soya, $1. So, ayan, may mga dessert. $3. So this is one of the famous. Lagi ko siya nakikita sa TikTok. Famous daw to, sabi ng mga lokal. So this is Lu's Hainanese curry rice. So may option ka for crispy pork or chicken curry. So uuwian natin si Daddy Fitz para matry na. So tignan natin kung magkano. So ayan yung timing niya. Screenshot nyo na lang. So make sure may dala kayong cash. So, ang haba ng pila dito sa Texan soya bean. So, I think best to try this. Kasi tignan nyo yung pila. Sobrang haba. So, I think this is good. And mura lang siya. It's only $1.20. So, ayan. Papakita natin yung mga local favorites. O, di ba nakaupo na sila? Nakaupo na sila, Faith Faith. Hi, Faith Faith! Why? Why? Mom, this is the $1 Yutiao. Papatry ko kay Faith kaso mainit pa. Mainit pa, Faith Faith. Hot. Oh, excited. Oh, hot. Oh, see? Hot, right? Hot. Hot. Hot.
May oras pa na sila.
Iced coffee, $1.80. Price list.
Sana.
How much?
36.
$3.60. Okay.
Kili.
Let's try. Go, tita. Let's share.
Try.
Antika yung kamay mo. So, let's try. Ano kailangan mo dito? Yung
Sure naman niya. Ayan. Wala na.
I'll get a new one.
Okay.
No po.
Bye. Bye.
Manghang, hindi nga. Curry, pork chop. Hindi mo tayo? Ako ang type ko. Masarap.
Hindi pwede yung rice kayo lang.
Hindi pwede.
Wala pala makapapila eh.
Tapos may option ng ano,
Pili.
pili ka ng chicken, pork, squid. Ang haba, di ba? Ang haba ng pila.
Ayun pa.
Sobrang haba ng pila. Curry pork chop. Kuha kitang spoon. So, pag magre-return kayo ng plate, make sure na sa non-halal. Kung hindi naman halal yung kinainan nyo. Where's the pigeon? Hi, pigeon! Hi, pigeon! So, tapos na kami kumain. Pero magte-take out kami ng Hainanese chicken rice para sa lunch. So, bili tayo dito sa Michelin Gourmand na chicken rice. Ayan, open na sila. Magte-take out tayo. Take away half chicken rice.
Half chicken. Half chicken.
Half roasted chicken rice.
Half ah? No lah. Half ah?
Half.
Okay.
Yeah, half.
Roasted ah?
Roasted.
Everything here?
Take away.
Yeah. Rice?
Yes.
How many?
5.
5 rice.
5 rice and then gizzard and liver 1.
liver.
Gizzard liver, yeah, 1. Yes. Vegetable 1. Egg 2. Braised egg. Okay. No more. How much
28.50.
28.50 Yes. 285. Okay? $28.50. So let's see. Hindi masyado kita. There's the gizzard. Can I get 2 of this? 2.
Which one you want? I got lotus, red bean and peanut.
Red bean. 2 red bean.
2 red bean ah?
Yeah.
You take all and now you have 2 red bean.
Yeah, enough. Yeah. And that one, the red bean.
Total 760.
I'll pay by a Grab. $7.60.
760.
Okay. Hi, this one. Alipay Plus. Hi, 1 soya bean with grass gen. Sorry. $120?
150.
150, okay. Okay. Thank you.
Hello.
So, Soya bean, grass jelly. Soya milk glass jelly. $1.50. Second floor, may garden pa. May pocket garden sa baba. Oh, let's go! We're gonna go market!